Have you ever dreamt of making money online? Imagine earning $800 a day, all from the comfort of your home. That's the power of YouTube. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't want to be on camera. That's where faceless YouTube channels come in. These channels allow you to remain anonymous while still raking in the views and the revenue. With the right niche, engaging content, and a little help from AI, you can achieve incredible success. We're going to break down how to make this dream a reality. Get ready to unlock the secrets of faceless YouTube and start your journey towards financial freedom. Creating engaging content is crucial for any YouTube channel, but it can be time-consuming. That's where Chat GPT 4.0 comes in. Chat GPT 4.0 is an advanced AI that can generate high-quality, human-like text in seconds. Think of it as your personal writing assistant, always ready to help you craft compelling scripts, video ideas, and even catchy titles. Whether you need help brainstorming video topics or want someone or something to write your scripts, Chat GPT 4.0 can handle it all. It can even adapt its writing style to match your desired tone, making your content sound natural and engaging. Faceless YouTube channels are all the rage right now, and for good reason. The beauty of this format is that you don't need to show your face. This is perfect for introverts or anyone who values their privacy. Instead of relying on your on-screen charisma, you'll be captivating viewers with your content. Think of channels like Brightside or the Infographics Show. They use captivating visuals, voiceovers, and animations to convey information in an engaging way. This format is perfect for educational content, explainer videos, or anything that can be visually represented. Section 4. Crafting your channel, a step-by-step guide. Now that you're familiar with the concept, let's dive into the practical steps of setting up your faceless channel. 1. Choose your niche. What are you passionate about? Think about your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. What do you know a lot about? Consider your professional background and personal experiences. Select a niche that interests you and has the potential for monetization. Research the market demand and competition. 2. Create a brand identity. This is crucial for standing out in a crowded space. Even though your face won't be the focus, you still need a strong brand. Choose a catchy name, design an eye-catching logo, and establish a consistent visual style for your videos. This includes color schemes, fonts, and overall aesthetics. 3. Set up your channel. This is your platform to share your content with the world. Creating a YouTube channel is free and easy. You just need a Google account to get started. Just head over to YouTube and follow the steps to create your account. Fill in the necessary details and verify your account. And customize your channel page. Add a channel description, links to your social media, and a profile picture. 4. Start creating high-quality content. This is the heart of your channel. This is where Chat GPT 4.0 will come in handy. Use it to generate ideas, scripts, and even video descriptions. Section 5. Chat GPT 4.0, your content creation ally. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to start creating content. Here's how Chat GPT 4.0 can help. 1. Video ideas. Stuck in a creative rut? Input your niche keywords into Chat GPT 4.0 and watch as it generates a list of engaging video ideas. 2. Script writing. Don't stress over writing compelling scripts. Chat GPT 4.0 can do the heavy lifting for you, creating informative and entertaining scripts that keep viewers hooked. 3. Title and description generation. Crafting attention-grabbing titles and descriptions is an art. Chat GPT 4.0 can help you optimize them for search engines and click-through rates. 4. Voiceover scripts. Using a voiceover is a great way to add personality to your faceless videos. Chat GPT 4.0 can generate scripts that are engaging and easy to read aloud. Section 6. Monetization Mastery. Turning views into dollars. You've poured your heart and soul into creating amazing content. Now it's time to get paid. Monetizing your YouTube channel can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Here's how to monetize your faceless YouTube channel effectively and maximize your earnings. First, join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue from ads displayed on your videos. This is a great way to generate a steady stream of income. Second, explore affiliate marketing. Partner with brands related to your niche and recommend their products or services in your videos. You'll earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This can be a lucrative way to earn money, especially if you have a loyal audience. Third, leverage sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for sponsored content. This involves featuring their products or services in your videos for a fee. Sponsored content can be a significant source of revenue, especially if you partner with well-known brands. Fourth, sell digital products or merchandise. If you have your own products or services, promote them on your channel. This could include ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content for your subscribers. You can also create and sell merchandise related to your brand, like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. This not only generates income, but also helps in building a strong brand identity among your audience. Section 7. Going viral. Strategies for exponential growth. Going viral is the holy grail of YouTube success. It's the dream of every content creator to see their videos spread like wildfire across the internet. While there's no guaranteed formula, these strategies can significantly increase your chances. 1. Create shareable content. This means making videos that people feel compelled to share with their friends and family. Develop content that evokes strong emotions, sparks curiosity, or provides valuable information that viewers will want to share with their network. Emotional reactions, whether it's laughter, tears, or surprise, make people want to share their experience. 2. Master the art of storytelling. A well-told story can make your content unforgettable. Humans are hardwired for stories. From ancient times around campfires to modern-day movies, stories captivate us. Craft compelling narratives that captivate your audience and keep them engaged from beginning to end. 3. Ride the trends. This means staying relevant and timely. Stay up to date with the latest trends and create content that aligns with what's popular. This can give your videos a significant boost in visibility. Use tools like Google Trends to identify trending topics in your niche. This will help you understand what people are currently interested in. 4. Engage with your community. Building a loyal audience is crucial for long-term success. Respond to comments, ask questions, and foster a sense of community among your viewers. Interaction makes your audience feel valued and more connected to your content. The more engaged they are, the more likely they are to share your content. Remember, a strong community can be your biggest asset in achieving exponential growth.